Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Saturday. It's Eric from Trillium. We're just at our customer's project where they're putting together a 1,600 square foot building by Trillium. We're going to make some video and show you guys how they're making out, and anything else, maybe we'll give a hand for a little bit. Oh, Kyle again. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It would be a big help for us. Thanks for watching. Hello, Jordan.
Hello.
How's it going?
Welcome to our project. He's going.
What's going on here, guys?
My helper is a little bit slow.
Is he? How you doing, Eli?
It's my first time. Wonderful.
Oh.
Yeah, all these ones. After I came here.
Which one is it?
What?
Rafter.
Oh,
More bolts.
It'll be a B2.
Eh?
B2.
Is this a B1?
It'll be different. Sorry, the bottom one here is B2. So
This
this
is a B1.
BTV1.
Yep.
how many you need? All on here.
Here we need four sections, so 8 washers. Which one, Jordan? This one?
Before stay there, but
E4.
well, I don't think so. Maybe the other one.
This is the one.
This one, yes.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's heavy.
yeah, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
It is.
yeah.
Eric, you strong like off. Ready? Oh, hold on a sec. Right, hold on a sec, Jordan. Okay, right there. Do we need?
Nope.
Need one more? Sir.
I don't think you need washers there, Kyle.
No, it's too close.
Sorry.
I don't put here because it's too close.
Right here.
No,
That's
I don't
okay.
think so. It's a
But
neat.
no, I needed the one more here. That should be all good.
Okay, let's go with this one there. Yep.
This came with me, eh?
Who?
This is follow me.
Came here. Took some pictures of this garage design. That's the kind of garage I need.
Big one.
The variance allows it to. Wow. Here's the Severn Township too. Which way are you doing all these? Need hot water.
Screw already.
You're missing a bolt. What kind of screw? What's wrong, Kyle? You guys want me to align them for you?
Yeah? No, they're all good.
They're gonna be too much span. So start at the end.
Both.
Start start at the end at the last place you can do it, and then tighten them up a little bit, huh?
What?
You start over here where you've got one.
Alright.
I don't tight now.
No, you have to, Jordan.
Yeah, but I have to make it.
No, not tight.
Oh.
Just so you can, because the space in between here is too big.
Oh, I push the thing.
We all can't be muscular, okay?
See, flex, look.
We don't have all the Greek god power.
Right?
We're gonna name you guys too some kind of Greek god, like Apollo, Zeus Hercules. Who's gonna be Hercules?
I thought Jordan was Hercules.
No, I don't know about that one. This one?
Yeah, those four.
Four or
1,
two?
2, 3, 4.
One,
Not
two,
this
three,
one.
four.
It's nice to putting this together in these temperatures.
Where's the tool? Yes.
You like this job, Eli?
Part-time, yes.
Yeah.
Not a full-time job.
Lots of labor, though.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to put that on for me?
Oh, yeah.
Spin it with your thumb. Just blast it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good.
Crew back to work. Everything's okay now. No flu.
No, Bill is off maybe long term.
No way.
Yeah. Can you put that nut on for me?
Oh, wrong one.
Nice.
Where's this one come from? Next one. Bonus. Yes. Bonus.
Screw inside.
This is of the ceremony. I don't think we should do it.
No, I'll be coming. This is chill.
Big.
What music?
With the stove.